Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, hi, my name is Liz. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. This is a random one. I got up this morning, I'm day off today, so I thought I'm gonna tidy and deep clean my makeup room because it is an absolute state. You'll see it in a second. I don't know why I let it get this messy, but yeah. Before we begin, please consider subscribing to my channel if you aren't already, and make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy this vlog. I'm just going to go about my day, and whatever I'm doing today I'm going to film. It's just like a spend the day with me sort of video, so yeah, if you want to see what I get up to, then keep on watching. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to be tidying my makeup room today because it is an absolute state and I feel my mind is just not in the right place when my room is messy. So I'm gonna take you around my room to show you. I've got stuff from Home Bargains, B&M that I want to show you quickly because it's just been left in here to rot and I need to put it away. I'm boiling. And yeah, we're going to tidy up today. I'm going to be doing a TikTok as well, so if you want to see like a quick snippet of what I'm going to be doing, then go head over to there. I'll link it in my description. My TikTok is always in my description. But I've opened the curtains. It's so much brighter when I open my curtains. It's like unreal. So that is me. Look at the state of it. I've got loads of stuff under there that I need to get rid of. All of that up there, like all of this I need to put away, pack and put away. And then over here as well, I've just got loads of things just accumulating. I've even got stuff on the floor. What should I do first? I'm going to show you what I got from Home Bargains and B&M first because I can get that stuff out the way then. So, and yes, I'm watching a bit of Murder Mystery. Ellen O'Neill, you know. I am very pale at the moment as well, so please ignore that. Okay, I'm going to show you what I bought from, it's B&M, Home Bargains, and a little bit from the range. God, I look so pale. Just my room, I've just been moving things to different places. So, I'm going to start with Home Bargains. Now, Home Bargains is the most local one to me. Apart from Dunelm, I absolutely love Dunelm. But the first thing I got, of course, the Lenore In Wash Scent Boosters in the Spring Awakening. Love these for like bedding, towels, or like things you just need like to freshen up. Then I got two, these actually came in a mega pack, two of those. The Bold Gel, it's like a stain remover. And it makes it smell nice as well. 28 washes and it's Pink Blossom scent, so two of those. Then I got the Vanish Oxide Action Crystal White. Now obviously I work for Clinique and I've got my white lab coat, so this is very essential. Oh, they smell amazing as well. So I just throw that in the drum and it gets rid of any stains and it makes it look whiter as well. I knew we had this. Scarlet Mail Elite, absolute essential. Then I got some antibacterial surface wipes. These are just handy, aren't they? There's 80 wipes in there. This stuff is absolutely insane. I love this stuff. Shake and Fresh Carpet Refresher with odour neutralizers. I'll be hoovering this floor in a minute, so that's essential. This is the lemon scent. Smells so good. Then I also got two of these. These are the Astonish Lemon Splash Foam and Fresh Toilet like refreshers sort of thing. So when I clean the toilets next, I'm going to put these in them. Yeah, I love lemon scented like cleaning stuff. Then lastly, I've been wanting one of these for ages. This is the Power Action electric cleaning brush set. Honestly, I cannot wait to use that. That sounds so old of me, but there's different heads. There's 4 different heads. I absolutely love it. High speed cleaning. I can't wait. This was only like, I think it was like £15, I want to say. So that's everything from Home Bargains. Oh, I'm gonna kick myself. Can't wait to tell Connor that I found this because we were certain we bought another one of these. Okay, so that's Home Bargains. So then we went to B&M. Now I seen these on a TikTok and I really wanted them because they go really nicely with my theme of the house. They're like a neutral, and then I've got like black accents. So these are the set of 2 cotton woven placemats, and these were £6 for 2. How stunning. And obviously I got 2 of those because I needed 4. Then I got a silicone ice cube tray. I'm gonna actually put that in today. These are like the really big ones. These would be so nice for like a G&T, like an alcoholic beverage, or if you have like a J2O or something. This was only £1.50, so that's why I got it. What I absolutely love at the moment is obviously spring, it's pastels, and if you know, you know. I love the colour lilac, and obviously I've got it in my makeup room dotted around. I had to, guys, I had to. This is a mug that is lilac and it's got the letter L on it. I was debating, I always debate whether to get an E or an L, but this was £3 and it's a very nice like ceramic. Oh, so nice. I love that. £3, that's really good, and it's a decent size as well. It's not too big and it's not too small. And then lastly from B&M, this was £1.50. It's the Live Coconut and Vanilla Reed Diffuser. So I might even put that in my makeup room today because it's very like pastels. I haven't even smelt it. I smelt the candle. That smelled nice. I'm gonna open that when I've actually finished the room. And then we popped into the range. Of course, again, I got a lilac candle. Even if I dotted this around the house, like lilac, would be cute. I can't remember how much this was. Oh, it was £3.99. Oh, it's £4. It does smell really good though. So even like just sat in a room, you would smell this. It does smell quite floral. But the best product that I've bought out of all of this is this from the range. This is the Black Orchid Reed Diffuser. Look how insane that looks. I absolutely love it. It's got like a texture to it and it's proper like sturdy, so I'm thinking when I've used the scent that's in here, I'm gonna like keep replacing it because I love that. I'll have to replace the sticks, but I'm sure I can get black sticks from anywhere, like Amazon. Yeah, that is my haul. I'm now gonna get all of this out of this room because it's making it cluttered in here. Also, if you want to know, we bought one of these because I hate the plastic ones. And I also finally got a frying pan with a lid on it because I want to make my noodles in here. So yeah, got one of these and I will be making noodles later because, again, if you've seen my TikTok haul, I got a load of noodles from TikTok. My dad normally gets them for me from Thailand, but yeah, I had to get them myself this time because he was in this country. But yeah, anyway, back to organising and yeah. Put this out. Don't do this, kids. That was satisfying. Okay, so then you've got to put this on, which I think... I am so confused. It's not like mega strong. I'm just gonna put it on my desk. Okay, so I have done the majority of the room. I just need to sort out my PR and parcels that I've bought, and then some clothes over there. This is nice and tidy now. That's nice and tidy. I need to hoover the floor. So it's just like little bits after lunch. So I'm going to take you upstairs because I'm going to show you what I'm going to cook. So yeah, go upstairs. Okay, so I completely forgot to put my food in. So typical. But I've just had a very exciting parcel. New Balance. I have been wanting these trainers for months. They are just perfect. Look how white and crisp they are. I'm not going to want to wear them out, but they're so light as well. Oh, I'm so excited. They've been out of stock in a size 5 in my size in so long. I need to get the protectant on those, but yeah, super excited. They're for running apparently. But I've got the protectant downstairs, but I'm just having a little break from tidying and stuff. So I actually got those from ASOS. Now I'm just gonna sit and chill. I'm watching Whitechapel, which is like a murder mystery of the Ripper, Jack the Ripper, but like a copycat. So good. But yeah, I'll come back to you when I'm going back downstairs. Okay, so quickly, I have finished pretty much my makeup room. I love that. So we've got all of that, and then all that is finally clear. Just, I'm gonna keep those bags just for storage or like for hauls. There's me. So it's just all nice and tidy now. The floor is literally clear, which I'm super excited about. That is my makeup room all nice and tidy. Now, I wish I filmed a bit more for YouTube, but I was concentrating too much on the TikTok, not gonna lie. But it is what it is. Well, I hope you've enjoyed. It's just an add-on to my 2 videos a week. So I'll be posting 3 this week, which is exciting. So yeah. So if you did enjoy this video, then please smash a huge thumbs up, and I'll do more like vlog type of videos. And if you aren't subscribed, then please consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye guys.